Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how you can download Photoshop into your Windows desktop. So first things first, we're gonna go into our search engine and then type in Creative Cloud right here. And then go ahead and just click on this right here. And then before we do sign in or before we look for Photoshop, just go ahead over into this creativity and design and then click on Photoshop right here. And I just wanted to take note that Photoshop is not free and it is a subscription software that you can pay monthly or annually. There is also this free trial right here that you can go ahead and check out. But if we go ahead and click on buy now, you should see what kind of packages has Photoshop in them. So you can either use this photography package right here, which uses Lightroom and Photoshop. It is currently at £9.98 per month, or you can just go ahead and buy a monthly subscription for Photoshop itself. There is also this Creative Cloud app that allows you to have all of the applications in store within Adobe Creative Cloud, and just go ahead and choose which one. Now after choosing which package that you want to go ahead and choose, we're gonna go ahead and sign in right here. So when we sign in, you can either continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple, or if you don't have an account yet, then just go ahead and click on create account right here. Now once that you have signed in, then you should be able to see this right here. So just go ahead and click on this. This is your profile, and then click on view account. Now as you can see here, this is your account and you should be able to see the kind of plan that you are using. So at the moment I am using the Creative Cloud All Apps right here, and as you can see, what's included in my plan is Photoshop itself. So let's go ahead and click on this, access your apps and services, and what will happen is it will open up the Creative Cloud right here. And then as you can see here, Photoshop is right here. But if you don't have Photoshop installed, just go ahead and go down here. You should be able to see all of the available plans, and Photoshop should be one of those. Just go ahead and click install. And then once that you click install, what will happen is that it will actually download the Creative Cloud app itself, which is a desktop application, which is pretty much the same as this, except it is an application rather than a website. So if I go ahead and show you what the Creative Cloud looks like, it will be this one right here. And as you can see, it is an exact replica of the Creative Cloud. So it's just a Creative Cloud desktop. And what this does is it allows you to maintain all of your applications. If there are any updates available, you can go ahead and do that. As you can see here, my Photoshop needs updating. And here are all of the installed applications that I have. Now, once that you have installed Photoshop, then just go ahead and click on open right here. And it will open up Photoshop for you. And there you go. You now have Photoshop fully opened and successfully installed. Well, I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time.